Hello mga kap, this is Kuya J and now we're going to show you on how to bake a homemade chocolate chiffon cake. Since this is my first time to bake a cake, so tuwang-tuwa naman ako syempre, so this is an opportunity to learn more on other things, especially tayo po ay tuturuan ng aking pinsan na si Ate Zaira kung paano ba gumawa ng chocolate chiffon cake with affordable ingredients. Yung binigay sa akin ng recipe book ng aking pinsan, ayan po. Ito yung mga ingredients na ating kakailanganin upang makapag-bake tayo ng cake.
Ating ingredients po para sa ating pagbabake is, syempre, is the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, whipped cream, 6 eggs, table salt, chocolate powder, white sugar.
Take note, please also prepare butter, vanilla extract, cooking oil, and water for the dessert. Thank you.
So, ito po ang aking pinsan na si Ate Zaira. Ayan, let's, and tabi lang kayo mga kapatid. Ating first process is we're going to separate the egg white sa egg yolks.
Dito ang natin, bowl for egg whites. Dito ang egg yolk. So, dito tayo unang magkakarak kasi tutulok agad yung egg white. Ayan. So, careful lang, be gentle. Don't push too hard. Saluhin mo lang siya and then let it drip. Ayan. Ano na yan, pusa na siyang magdidrip lahat ng egg whites at may iwan yung egg yolk. Make sure then na you don't shake yung egg before mo gawin to kasi may possibility na mag-break yung egg yolk. Important, room temperature yung egg before you do everything kasi may malaking factor siya sa pag-whisk natin kasi yung egg whites natin, we will make a meringue recipe out of it. If cold yung egg, hindi siya mag-work.
So, ang next natin receive is 2/3 cups of flour naman tayo. Ano? And we're going to set this aside.
Ganitong consistency na dapat inilalagay yung sugar. Ito yung tinatawag nating soft peak, yung bundok niya na medyo, ayan, pagka inangat mo yung makikita mo, may sumusunod. Ayan, soft peak pa siya. Habang soft peak, ayan, continuous lang yung beating and then gradually add the sugar. Dahan-dahan lang. So, hindi siya all at once. Ayan, so, kaya mo munang mag-mix and then you cook. Yan. Medyo konti pa kasi we're opting for stiff pick.
Okay, so during na nag-mix siya, so itong ginagawa ko, I put the butter at ito ay ginawa ko para hindi mag-stick dito. So I'm going to massage it.
Okay. So ito yung tinatawag nating stiff pick. Ayan. When you pull up the ladle, ayan, ayan, tumatayo siya separately. So, yan. Ang goal kasi natin, kaya natin pinapastiff pick yung meringue para magkaroon ng bubbles yung cake. Kasi we'll be doing a chiffon cake. Pag sinabing chiffon, it's a cottony or soft, fluffy type of cake. And the meringue, the bubbles from the egg whites or the meringue mixture natin will help stabilize that kind of texture. If we use a smaller pan like this one, ibig sabihin siya, mas mataas siya. Ayan. So, kapag mas mataas, it takes longer kasi yung loob niya, kailangan mainin. Manipis na pan like this one, mas wider siya, tas mas manipis yung, yung height niya. mas madali siyang maluto inside. So, for this one, ito yung ginamit natin. Kaya nagsabi ako ng 35 to 40 minutes at a 150 degrees Celsius. Celsius tayo mga guys. Na temperature.
Continuing the process, we're going to mix up this. We're going to pour this gradually. Ayan po. So, dahan-dahan lang syempre ang aming pag-mix.
Sa baking, may tinatawag tayong folding. Yung folding, hindi natin siya parang didiinan. Kasi sa cake, delicate tayo, especially for chiffon cakes. Ayaw nating masira yung bubbles ng cake. So, sa folding, you swirl the spatula all over the, para i-cover. Tapos, i-cut mo siya ng ganun. Tapos, fold mo siyang ganyan. Kaya siya tinatawag na folding. Kasi spread mo, and then, ikot mo ulit, and then fold, tapos ganun. Tapos, add mo na ulit yung remaining. Kaya natin i-add yung egg white, yung meringue mixture natin sa butter. Okay? So, fold. Ito ang sensitive part. Dapat fold lang siya. Magaan lang ang kamay mo. Huwag natin siyang i-press masyado kasi sayang yung effort natin. Natin siya, binabol natin siya. So, ayan, nakita nyo na medyo mixed na siya. Ayan, add na next, yan. Kasi nakita nyo naman kung gaano kabuo yung meringue. We're trying to keep that kind of texture para mas fluffy ang cake natin. So, ayun nga po pala. When we transfer it na sa baking pan, we must not, yung some people kasi, nila, tinatagtag. No yun. Kasi gusto nga natin ng bubbles para sa ating cake.
So, kailangan dahan-dahan lang syempre yung ating panlagay dito. Ayan, ikukul po natin siya doon sa lunang ref. And we're going to make a ganache for the cake.
Ganache is just a mixture of whipping cream and melted chocolate. Hindi siya solidified. We don't use it. Para siyang manipis na coating sa ibabaw ng cake. Basta lang, ang kailangan na siya is liquid or gooey texture para i-coat yung ibabaw ng cake natin. Mag-shot tayo ng chocolate buttons. Usually, we use bittersweet or semi-sweet chocolate. But right now, kasi ang available ko lang is milk chocolate. Mas maganda sana kung bittersweet kasi for, adults, they prefer not too sweet. Since chocolate-based na yung cake natin at yung frosting natin or yung whipped cream natin, yung ice, medyo matamis na siya. But I hope na hindi siya masyadong maging matamis. So, important sa pag-breakdown ng chocolate since hindi natin pakukuluin yung whipped cream. Gusto natin na madaling matunaw yung chocolates natin. Kaya kailangan breakdown siya to small pieces para madali siyang i-mix.
Ilalagay na po natin yung ating na chocolates dito sa whipped cream rather. I-chill po na natin yung ating nagawang ganache. Tanan! Okay, so tapos na ang pag-bake ng ating chocolate chiffon cake. Ang mangyayari dyan, kung i-stick natin siya tapos ang lumabas ay meron siyang nakadikit na mga liquid parts pa, ibig sabihin nyo hindi pa siya luto. Pero kung since na-try ko na siya, so this in here, and in here, tapos sa gitna, kung wala naman talaga siya, it which means na-cook na ang lahat. Ang gagawin na po natin ngayon ay i-mix up ulit natin ang nagawang filling for our cake.
What we did with the cake, kinat natin siya into half, and then binaliktad natin. So, yung ibabaw, nilagyan natin siya sa ibaba. Tapos nakikita nyo, ito yung top ng cake. Then, ito yung bottom ng cake. Ito yung gagawin natin middle ngayon. Para magkaroon lang ng balance. Dapat, room temp din yung cake natin. So, hindi siya mainit para hindi matunaw or malusaw yung filling. Itong excess, we use it to fill up the tops. Scrape mo lang. Medyo makalat to since wala tayong matinong cake platter at saka yung matinong scraper. I'm just using this spatula that we have for so long. Kaya.
Wow! Ikukulo na natin siya until
1 to 2 hours.
1 to 2 hours.
Many hours later.
Here is the outcome of our homemade chocolate chiffon cake. Titignan natin kung ano ba ang reactions at greeting ng ating mga kamag-anak. The judge.
Itong pasado.
Tingnan nga po natin. This is Mama J. Say hello. Please follow this vlog.
Kasi ko na streamer, ganyan yung to.
Milk chocolate.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
More.
Special thanks to Ate Zaira because without her, hindi ko yan magagawa.
Nakarabi yata ako.
Yeah, so thank you so much guys for this vlog that you watched, and I hope you learned a lot of our baking experience, which is doing the homemade chocolate chiffon. So next time guys, see you. This is Kuya J ulit. Bye-bye.